Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. The lock I've got clamped up here is Bipolar by William Mancel. Wow, made in February 2019. OK2 180, nope. 360 with key. Kind of. So, this key does not want to go in here. It was working earlier. I'm not sure why it's not working now. There's definitely some weirdness going on with this core. I found that if I play around with it a bit, I can eventually get the key to work. But whatever. Let's see. Well, I kind of want to make the key work, because honestly, if the key's not working, then do I really know if the lock can be opened? I guess I don't. So, there it goes. Okay, so key's in. Start to turn it that way, you can't turn it back. You have to completely go that way, but then also if you go this way, it stops 180, so I guess that's where the confusion comes in. But anyway, this is a pretty crazy challenge lock here. Got some super deep false sets on this thing, and not sure if I'm going to be able to open it, but I hope I can, because I would like to see what's inside. Because it seems to me like he did something crazy with the core. I'm not sure what, but I'd like to open this thing up and find out. Yep. Alright, well, hey, that was quick. Alright, we got this guy open, so I'm definitely going to use a shim when gutting this because of all those super deep false sets and craziness. So hopefully I can find one. Oh, actually I've got some super thin shims here. Hopefully this will work. Okay. Ah. You know what? Apparently you can rotate it, I said with the key, so if I rotate it back, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the key to work. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try to gut this thing without the key. Hopefully I don't lock it up or anything. Okay. Let's get our shim in there. Our shim that doesn't appear to want to go in. There we go. This is a very thin shim, so to be honest, I'm not sure. Alright, let me try this. Oh, come on. Alright, you know what? I'm going to try to find a thicker shim. I think I have one in here somewhere. Yep, there we go. Alright, hopefully this guy will work. Need to get some real core shims, but these security tags were great. But I think the true core shims are a bit thicker and stronger. There we go. Okay, that one worked. Yeah, these are the thinnest little... I've never seen them this thin before, but these came out of a security tag as well. Alright, what follower do I want to use? I guess I can probably just use this guy. Yep, that appears good. Okay, oh, interesting. That is strange. I'm not sure why he did that, but maybe once I got it, I'll understand better. I don't know. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. T-pin, key-pin. That one's got like a tapered edge to it. That one's got a tapered edge to it. That is a nice serrated key pin. That one actually looks factory made almost, but I don't think it is. I think you just did a really nice job on that one. Alright, now let's get these drivers out of here. Well, super tough spring there. Number 1 is a standard. Number 2 is a... What was that? That was that way. Interesting. So that was like a torpedo key pin almost. Oh, is this one of the munition pins? Okay. I think that's one of the munition pins. I think that is the pellet. This guy was in that way. It's a mushroom. That guy has a reduced diameter. Is that? Yeah, that's a very interesting T-pin there. Okay, don't know which way that was in, but I'm going to assume it was T-pin side down. That is another munition pin. I think this one was T-pin side down, but I'm not sure, to be honest. And then our last one, if I can get this out of here, was just a spool. Okay. I'm sure the springs are all different, but I don't really want to mess this up by... Well, I'll take them out. You know what? He took the time to put them in. I'll take the time to take them out. I just want to make sure I don't mangle any of them, because some of them are sticking above. Oops. Okay. Already having a problem with that there. Alright, this is the spring for number 5. It's a very long spring in number 5. And this is the spring for number 3. Another very long spring there. Now I can take them out one at a time. Number 1. Number 2. Those big lighter springs? Those are big lighter springs. Great. Okay. Yeah, love those things. 3 I already took out. 4. Another from a big lighter. Jeez. 5. I already took out. And then 6 is another big lighter spring. Wow. Okay, this thing was full of big lighter springs. Alright, well, let me get you a close-up on these pins here. So, number 1 is standard. Number 2, I think, is a pellet from the munitions pins. Number 3 looks like a sparrow's mushroom pin. Number 4 is a pretty mangly looking T-pin there. It looks like a shaved down spool. Number 5 is I think this is another one from the munition pin set. And then another spool in 6. And then our key pins here, we've got a pretty nicely shaved down T-pin key pin there. Got some tapered pins in 4 and 5. Nicely serrated key pin in 3, and then the key pins in 2 and 1 look pretty standard. There we are, William Mancel's bipolar. Yeah, let's look at that core real quick. So he shaved the crap out of that core. I don't understand why we were constantly getting stuck. I can't see any reason why it would turn... Oh, you know what? I guess that driver in number 2, if you were to turn this way... He definitely did some crazy undercuts in these things. And I felt that, but what I don't understand is why I wasn't able to turn back if I went this way. I'm not sure. Maybe it had some... No, because... whatever. Alright, whatever. I'm sure I could figure it out eventually, but... Anyway, here we are. Some crazy core mutilation and some cool pins in there. So that is Bipolar by William Mancel. Alright, thanks a lot, all. Take care. See you on the next one. Hey there, all. Okay, just a little extension here. I figured out why... So it had nothing to do with the pins. Well, kinda. So the problem we're having is, you see this pin here is flush. So the spring was coming out of here, and it would go down into the chamber here, and then you wouldn't be able to turn back because the spring would actually be pushing on the driver pins. So it actually had... a lot less to do with the pins themselves than the springs actually being able to go down into the pin chambers. So that's all. Just wanted to give that little update there. Alright, all. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.